Paano natin magagawa yun? Meron tayong tinatawag na risk appetite. Dahil tayo ay mag-offer ng BUL, ang BUL kasi not guaranteed eh. It's volatile, it's dependent on the market. Maglalagay si client ng pera ngayon, depende kung gaano katagal yung horizon na gusto ni client, and then anong galaw ng market, doon magbe-base yung kanyang fund value later on. No? So meron tayong risk dito, and then return. So tatanong mo ngayon si client, Mr. Client, what type of an investor are you? Are you the type of investor na conservative, low risk, low return? Or are you the type of investor na moderate? Hindi masyadong risky, hindi rin masyadong mataas yung return, no? Medium lang. Or are you the type of investor na aggressive? Na gusto mo high risk, pero high return para mas malaki ang pera. So you have to ask your client about that. So that, my friends, are the 4 images that we use when it comes to presenting to a client. The life wheel, the hierarchy, the formula, and the risk appetite. And then from here, you will now be able to identify what solution you will offer to your clients based on the client's needs, based on the client's budgets, and based on the client's goal. Ganyan lang gagawin nyo. Every time na may kakausapin kayong client, ganyan. Kapag may kakausapin kayong recruit, ipakita nyo lang sa recruit ito. Sasabihin mo sa recruit mo, Rose, ganito lang gagawin mo. Sa tingin mo, kaya mong gawin to?
Kaya.
Hindi, sasabihin ni Mika, yung recruit mo, kaya. Sige, alika na. Ganun lang.
Pwede mo na i-discuss sa
Tapos, sasabihin ng recruit, ay, hindi ko kaya yan. Okay lang, at least naturuan mo siya mag-financial planning. Baka maging kliyente mo siya.